One more time. One more. So that one turned a little bit too much. Started more left than what you want to see it start, obviously.
It's just starting. It seems like it's turning what I want, but it's starting left.
Okay. Do you know why? So when that ball takes off, do you know why that's happening? Like explain to me what you think is happening when that ball takes off a little too far left than you want it to, and then develops that kind of that left curve that you want to have, that you don't want to have.
It feels like I'm just kind of flipping at it.
So the face is rotating. So
yeah.
I'd say about half right? So when you get the club working down, okay, and it kind of gets up here from what it looks like to me, and that club starts to kind of tip this direction, okay? What's happening then is your plane, the direction the club is moving, is going to be forced to move out to the right, okay? So when our path moves from in to out quite a bit, okay, that is what's going to, primarily is going to make that ball curve right to left.
Yeah.
So that flipping feeling of that you're feeling is also correct in the sense of that's what's making the ball not start on the line you want to start it on. Okay, so the face, wherever you make contact, wherever the face is pointed when you make contact, granted, you hit fairly center shot.
Yeah.
Wherever that's pointed, that's where the ball's always going to start. So anytime you see a ball that is starting left, granted, again, we're taking into account that your alignment's correct, okay, and it's a fairly center hit.
Yeah.
Whenever it takes off to the left, that's where your face is pointed when you make contact, okay? When it starts to curve more, then that's explaining you still coming from the inside, right?
Okay.
So if we're trying to get rid of that kind of going left shot, okay, we need not only that face to be less flipped as you called it, okay, so we need to kind of quiet that down. That path, when you get up here, for you is going to feel, we're going to work on, is almost going to have to feel like it's working out more this way. Even though it's not going to be to this extreme, it's got to work less under, okay? Because we can't push the plane out to the right with a flip club face and expect that the ball's going to go pretty straight to almost a fade, what you're kind of talking about wanting to have, right? So face, aim, when you make contact is where the ball is going to start, and then path is how it's going to curve. So now when you hit shots and you're practicing, you should be able to diagnose what was my club path doing and what was my face doing when I hit that golf shot.
Yeah.
Okay, so that way now when you practice, when you're by yourself, you'll be able to understand what you felt and put it to what you saw and know kind of, okay, that's why that ball did that. I need to exaggerate the move even more to get away from that, even though you might have thought you were already doing it. Okay, all right, let's get one more.
Okay.
And let's try to exaggerate kind of a more out to in path. Good swing. All right, can you hit a few more?